Hi, my name is Christian Vargas at Starkweather, your partners in solving membership management problems. By now you've heard a lot about the Google Analytics for updates and that we are migrating from the Universal Analytics to the new GA4 properties. I'm here to tell you about a quick setting that you could add or toggle on your Google Analytics 4 that will help enhance the statistics you get on your site. So it goes from just basically recording views to recording actually actions and content like clicks, what images are viewed, and certain actions that happen on a page. So to get that enabled, all you're going to need to do is go into your admin settings on the bottom left-hand corner, go into data collections and modifications, into data streams, and you'll click the data stream that you have there. And you will notice that here there's an enhanced measurement setting that we already have enabled. But it, like I said, it's not gonna only record views on a page, but also actions. So it'll record different interactions like clicks, what happens in images, embedded videos, and stuff like that, which will make statistics for your site more better and give you a better idea of what is being done on each page that you're acquiring these statistics for. If this is something you like help with, or if you need help setting up your Google Analytics 4 or want us to go through your properties and stuff like that, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you at any time or schedule a free consultation with us. I hope you have a great day and talk to you soon.